Hi guys, this is Mimi and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you would get an alert when I have my new videos uploaded and ready for you to enjoy. For this video guys, we will be unboxing! Yes guys, unboxing DJI Mini 2 SE. Yes guys, so what are we waiting for? Let's do this guys, join me! Look at this bag, guys. Ang ganda ng bag niya. Oh, yeah. Shoulder bag. Or body bag. Yeah, actually body bag siya. Tingnan natin. Oh, diba? Pwede siyang shoulder bag. Ganyan. At ang liit lang niya, guys. Super liit. O, diba may nag-hi? Mag-brush ka sana ng buhok, diba?
You look like a bruja.
Yeah, you look like bruja. Anyway, so ayan guys, diba? Ang cute, super cute. So kung traveler ka like me, diba? Ayan, this is very handy. Okay, especially for traveling people like me.
Wow, the zipper is soft.
Yeah, okay. Sana walang magulo, diba? So, ayan, adjustable siya guys. Pwede mo siyang gawing body bag. Ayan. Para hindi ka mahirapan dalhin. Diba? Ayan. Tingnan natin. Gawin natin siyang body bag. Ayan. Oh! Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, diba? Atras pa more. See? Wow. Nice. So, you can put it in your front. In front of you. In your front. In front of you. Ayan. This is so cute. Alright, let's see what's in here. Yan, okay. Whoop. Yan, so meron dito. Okay. There's a box. May box dito natin. Sa loob nito. May box pa siya dito, guys. So, yan. Okay. So, alright. So, first item talaga na nilabas ko. This is the DJI Mini drone. So, oh my God, it's so small. Super mini nga. Guys, mini nga. Ayan. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Look how mini it is. Ito yung kamay ko, oh. Ganyan siya kaliit. Diba? Ayan o, super mini. Grabe. I love it. Yan. So, ayan, tinanggal natin guys. Yung kanyang propeller. Propeller! Okay. Alright. Okay, now, ayan, tinanggal natin ito guys. Ayan. Alright. So, nandito yung camera niya. O, diba? Okay. Ayun, yung isa pang propeller under. Alright. So, one on top and one under. Yun. Ay, two pala, not one. Propeller on top and under. Okay. Ayan, guys. Alright. So, nakalagay dyan, Mini SE. Okay. Alright. So, there's another thing that we have to remove. It says, charge to activate the battery before first time use. Okay. So, we have to charge it first, guys. So I'll just remove this safety stickers. Okay. So we have to charge it first. So now I have to find the charger. Okay. Teka, I'm gonna sit down so you guys can see it. Alright. Tabi ang kalat. Diba? Ayan. Okay. You guys can see this. Yun. Alright. Okay. Tingnan natin. Where's the charger so we can charge it. Right? While waiting for the neighbor. Okay. Let's see what's here. This is the bag again. Let's see what's in here. Okay, maybe just papers, but I don't know. Yeah. Ta-da! Just papers. Okay. Alright. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Ayan. Ito na ata yung battery pack. Oh, there we go. There's the charger. Ayan. USB and USB and USB. Ayan. Okay. So, pwede na siyang i-charge. I have a... Wait lang. Kuha kami here, guys. Maybe this is the battery pack. Agoy. Hindi ko alam buksan. Siyempre, diba? Wala sa bundok. Mahipit ang ating kuko. I need help. Baka naman. Ayan. Baka naman. Pakibukas dong. Ayan. So, while Dudong is doing that, let's see what is this one. Ayan, guys. I think this is the controller. Ayan. Siyempre, diba? Meron ng kasamang controller. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Woot. There you go. Yan. Here's the controller. So, ngayon, hindi ko alam kung nasan to. Diba? Siyempre, I think nandun yun sa box na binubuksan ni Dudong. Oh, I hear! Ayun siya, guys. So, ayan. There it is. And then we have to screw it in there. Ayun. Oh, okay na. Ayun, binigay ni Dudong. Charger ng battery pack. And other extra propellers. And the screw thing. Ayan. Okay, screw thing. Ayan. Another controller. Ayan. So, yan yung left and right. So, DJI 2, guys, is different. No? This is the older version. There is already DJI Mini 3. So, 2 yung ano natin. So, yan. Ooh. Okay. Alright. Ayun na, yung battery pack. Ayan. Nasa loob nung inside this box. Okay. Alright. Yan. So, yan. Okay. Now, let's see. Again, we have the controller. We have the drone. Okay. And we have the battery pack charger wires. And the battery pack. And some screw and extra propellers. And this charging wire. So, ayan. You'll have to... I think that's all, guys. Yeah, wala na extra. Of course, manual. Ayan. Yung mga manual tayo dito, diba? Ayan. Sobrang luma na. Nag-iba na ang kulay. Ayan. So, here, guys, we are charging the drone and the controller so we can use it later. So while charging, guys, let's download the application on our cell phone. So we just need to scan the barcode and download the app. So while charging again, we're just gonna set up the app and connect the drone, the controller, and the app so we could start testing and fly our drone. Alright, guys, we are now testing how to fly the drone. and make sure the controllers are working. Yay! So far, now it's flying in the air. Ayan, no, diba? Focus sa nagpa-fly. Nagpa-fly talaga. So, nagko-control ng drone. Ayun, oh, kaway-kaway pa siya. Alright, ayan, let's see how to use the controller. So, ayan guys. O, diba? Yan ang community namin dito. Oh, ayan. Silipin ng mga kapitbahay. Say hi. Ayan. Alright. So, yun ang aming mga community here, mga houses. Ayan, our neighbors and neighborhood. So, yeah, just trying how to control and fly the drone. So far, yan lang muna guys. It's working so far and it looks good. And again guys, thank you for watching!